Hello everyone, introduce us from Group H, English for Engineering 2, Mercubuana University. Our group consists of Ariyanto, Junaidi, Anjar, and Prasetyo Dimas. On this occasion, we will present an automatic system related to auto-sleep light. The points to be discussed are regarding first is the component light dependent resistor, steps on the relay, and the last application and conclusion. The first discussion will be presented by myself, namely Prasetyo Dimas. In this slide, I will explain in outline how this auto-sleep light works. In general, the way the light circuit works will automatically turn on when the room is dark. When the room is bright again, the light sensor will work and a series of sleep light will automatically turn off. This light circuit is supplied from two different power sources. The light sensor circuit works with a battery voltage source at DC source. Meanwhile, the light circuit gets a direct source of pressure from PLN electricity AC source. This auto-sleep light is very useful when we are going out of the house and forget to be lazy to turn off the light. Or it is also useful to illuminate the room automatically when there is a light disturbance or the flow of the light goes out. Currently, this automatic light is often used on the side of the road, which aims to turn on at night so that it can illuminate the road without having to switch it on or off. Enough of the presentation from me. Thank you. Henceforth, the presentation will be continued by Mr. Junaidi.
Auto-sleep light using the LDR light sensor consists of 6 components, namely number 1, light dependent resistor, number 2, trim pot 10 kilo ohm, number 3, relay, number 4, incandescent lamp, number 5, fuse, number 6 is battery. Number 1, light dependent resistor or photoresistor is a resistor that is sensitive to light. The LDR resistance value will decrease if the light intensity heating it increases. Number 2, trim pot 10 kilo ohm or trimmer potentiometer is a potentiometer or variable resistor that changes its resistance value by trimming it using a trim screwdriver. Number 3 is relay. The 5-volt relay type SPDT is a device that uses an electromagnet to operate a set of switch contacts. The simplest arrangement consists of a coil of copper wire wrapped around an iron core. 220-volt AC incandescent lamp is an artificial light source that is generated by channeling an electric current through a filament which then heads up and produces light. The glasses covering the hot filament prevent air from coming in contact with it so that the filament will not avoid short circuit. The fuse is used in this tool because the tool to be made also uses an AC source. And number 6 or finish, the 9-volt battery power source that will be used in this series of lights. This battery is a source of electricity for a circuit that is directly connected to the LDR.
My name is Ariyanto from Group A. Permission to continue. This is image of series lamp. Taps on the relays. The purpose of the variable resistor is to synchronize the resistance in the slip-like circuit automatically. From the circuit above, it can be seen that the resistance value is not only determined by the LDR, but also determined by the variable resistor. Like also has a certain intensity value, so that the total value of the resistance between the LDR and the variable resistor match the light intensity in the room. If according to the LDR, the light it receives is still not less than the minimum value of light intensity. It still passes current in the left circuit. This clouding should occur because the relay switch repeatedly to the right circuit and move again to the left circuit. If it turns out that the room has a very minimum light intensity and is in accordance with the LDR, then the slip will enlarge and the night light will turn on. But if the light intensity is still not less than the limit of drinking light hitting the LDR sensor, then the obstacle you get are still small so that the light go out. However, if the light intensity is in the middle of the minimum threshold of light hitting the LDR, the relay will repeatedly switch from the left circuit to the right circuit. This is what happens when the switch on the relay moves rapidly from the left circuit to the right circuit.
Next is application of variable resistor to the tool. So that the current can pass in the left circuit and the slip light does not turn on, the resistance is enough only from the LDR, because the LDR has got the smallest resistance valued so that the current can flow in the left circuit. If we increase the value of the variable resistor, the current decreases over time in the left circuit and the relay switches to the right circuit so that the right circuit is on and the light is on. And the last one is conclusion. With the development of sensors that are increasing nowadays, various automatic electronics devices have emerged that make our work easier, like the tool that will be made by only using one LDR sensor. You will be able to make an automatic light, which is useful when we want to sleep. So that the current can pass in the left circuit and the slip light does not turn on, the resistance is enough only from the LDR because the LDR has got the smallest resistance value so that the current can flow in the left circuit. If we increase the value of the variable resistor, the current decreases over time in the left circuit and the relay switches to the right circuit so that the right circuit is on and the light is on. Next is conclusion. With the development of sensors that are increasing nowadays, various automatic electronic devices have emerged that make our work easier, like the tool that will be made by only using one LDR sensor. You will be able to make an automatic light which is useful when we want to sleep. That's all from our group's presentation about our report. Thank you for your attention, and we will be receive any question in the comments. See you.